In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unarchive photos in Google Photos on iPhone. If you've ever archived pictures to clean up your main feed and now want them back in your regular photo view, this walkthrough will make it simple. Archiving in Google Photos hides items from the main Photos tab without deleting them. They're still safely backed up, searchable, and included in any albums you added them to. Unarchiving just brings them back to your main timeline by their original date. Start by opening the Google Photos app on your iPhone. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account, especially if you manage more than one. A stable internet connection helps changes sync quickly across devices. Along the bottom of the screen, tap the Collections tab. This is where Google Photos groups items like albums and other organized sections. Once you're there, scroll down until you see the Archive option. Tap Archive to open it. This is your dedicated space for everything you previously hid from the main Photos view. Inside the archive, find a photo you want to bring back. Tap and hold on that photo to enter selection mode. You'll see a check mark appear, confirming it's selected. If you want to unarchive multiple photos at once, simply tap Additional Photos to add them to your selection. If you accidentally select one, just tap it again to deselect. With your photos selected, look to the top of the screen and tap the More button, which appears as a three-dot icon. This opens a small menu with actions you can take on your selection. Choose Unarchive. As soon as you do, Google Photos will move those items out of the archive and back into your main Photos view. They'll appear in your timeline according to the date they were taken, not the date you unarchived them, so scroll to that time period if you don't see them immediately. A couple of quick tips to wrap up. If you don't notice changes right away, give the app a moment to sync or pull down on the screen to refresh. Unarchiving doesn't remove photos from any albums they're in. It simply makes them visible again in the Photos tab. And if you only needed to restore one or two shots, you can repeat these steps anytime for other archived items. That's all it takes to unarchive photos on your iPhone using Google Photos. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you tidy up your library exactly the way you want.